Hey everyone, my name's Anissa. I work here at Icenhower Coaching and Consulting. We work with a lot of the top teams across the country. And one thing that we do when they sign up with us, we work with their whole team. Specifically, one of the things that we do is set their admin up with a lot of the different hacks. I'm going to teach you how to get the most Google reviews or Yelp reviews and lead in your marketplace. This should work for Zillow and apply to other links, but we're going to focus on right now Google. And then if they don't have a Gmail account, can't give a Google review, then we will give them the option for Yelp. So the secret to this is sending links from incognito from your cell phone. If you do it from your mobile, it should be mobile friendly to either iPhone or Android. So I have an iPhone. I'm going to pull up and switch over. The two secrets to getting the most reviews in your marketplace is one, making it easy. That's why we do it on mobile and send it via text. The second is to send these links, and it's a hack. So let's get started.
Okay, so we want to open up Google Chrome. We want to be in an incognito tab. So you can either do that from pressing these little dots, new incognito tab, but I happen to be in one by being under this guy with a little hat. And I want to show you one of our clients who has done a really good job getting reviews, Danny Buyer Real Estate. So that's 105. So when I just search real estate agent Kansas City, Danny's going to come up on the top. She always will with that kind of number of 105. I can see that there's only one other agent on here, 174. So she could send this with the aim to beat out that. That way, if she's ever, and if anyone in that area ever Googles best real estate agent Kansas City, Yelp actually puts together these curated lists based on how many reviews and the score of the review. And so to be ranked number one, you'd have to beat out all the other agents. And so Danny Buyer is really up there. She's going to be listed on that top list. So what we would do is click on that one. Then you have updates, reviews, photos, etc. listed here in the menu bar. Let's click reviews. And from the incognito tab, I'm going to hit 5 stars. This is going to say sign in with your Google account. That means that whether they're on an Android or a Google, this link should work. It's going to prompt them to sign into Google before, and it won't hit any errors because you're not signed in. So it's starting from the beginning for the process for them. So I copy this and then hit cancel. Go into a new tab, and let's do it in a regular tab. So just hit new tab. And this is not an incognito tab. Hit paste, hit go. This is what the user would do. And it actually prompts the user, if they're already signed in, to just hit review. And if they weren't signed in, then it would prompt them to sign in and it would take them straight to this box. So it avoids sending them to this page, which could be, then they might, if it's just an overview and they're not great users, they wouldn't know how to send a review. And it kind of cleans up that process and it makes it so much faster. When we're sending this via mobile, the response rate is just going to be a lot higher. Okay, so here is another trick for those people that respond to your message and say, I don't have a Google account and I don't want to create one. Say, no problem. How about Yelp? So let's go into your new incognito. Let's type in Danny Buyer Real Estate Agent Yelp. Make sure that we have all those keywords so that it's going to bring that Yelp page to the top of Google. Perfect. So, and it also brings up Zillow, which is awesome too. So we want to focus on getting Yelp reviews, and you can't send people your Yelp account link because Yelp will probably shut it down for you soliciting reviews. It's against their policies. But instead, you can send them the Google link of what you search for to get to that Yelp, and that should not tip off Yelp, and that will help increase the reviews for Yelp.